This How to 1 Minute will show you how to join a Discord server on mobile and computer. First of all, let's see how to join a Discord server on computer. Click on this plus icon. Click on Join a Server. Copy the Discord server invite link of the server you want to join. Then paste the Discord server invite link here. And click on Join Server. Ensure that you are not a robot. As you can see, I successfully joined to this server. And now let's see how to join to a Discord server on mobile. On your mobile, open Discord and click on this plus icon. Join a server. Paste the server invite link here. Click on Join Server. Accept invite. Tap on Confirm to verify you're not a robot. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.